Google is about to reveal the Pixel Watch 3, and some leaked 4K images have given us a clear look at it. There's also new speculation about its features. However, if you were hoping for big changes from the Pixel Watch 2, you might be disappointed. The Pixel Watch 3 is expected to have the same Snapdragon Wear 5100 chip, Cortex M33 coprocessor, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage as the previous model. The battery in the 41mm model of the Pixel Watch 3 will get a tiny increase from 306 to 307 mAh, which likely won't make a noticeable difference in daily use. The new 45mm version will have a 420 mAh battery. But since this is the first time this size is available, we can't directly compare it to earlier models. Both versions are expected to last 24 hours with the always-on display turned on, or up to 36 hours when battery saver mode is used. The earlier Pixel Watches had 30 Hz displays, which made them feel slow and less smooth. The Pixel Watch 3 is improving on this with a 60 Hz refresh rate for both models. This adaptive refresh rate can go from 1 Hz for the always-on display to 60 Hz when you're actively using the watch. Both versions of the Pixel Watch 3 can also reach a very bright 2000 nits at their peak. The Pixel Watch 3 can dim its screen down to just 1 nit, making it perfect for nighttime wear. Plus, with sleep mode, you won't have to worry about the brightness at all. While the Pixel Watch 3 is getting some big improvements, some things are staying the same. Google added a coprocessor, but didn't go for a dual operating system like OnePlus did with its smartwatch. Recently, a series of 4K images have appeared online, showing the watch in great detail. The leaked images show the Pixel Watch 3 with bands in obsidian, porcelain, and hazel colors, each matched with different case colors: matte black, silver, and gold. The images also reveal a new watch face, featuring a pill-shaped clock in the center with various customizable features like weather updates, heart rate monitoring, step tracking, and more. Users will likely be able to customize these features, similar to what you can do on the Galaxy Watch 7. The Pixel Watch 3 will run on Wear OS 5, just like the Galaxy Watch 7. What do you think of these new details about the upcoming Pixel Watch 3? Do you think it's a worthy upgrade this year? Let us know in the comments below. For more updates, you can check out our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.